Welcome to Ngoboten 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. This is Ngoboten 10 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. My brother, how's it?
Ngiyaphila Mr. Ngcobo, ngiyaphila. Greetings to the people ababukela e2010 Ngcobo channel. My name is Ayanda Mkidlana, well known as Ukoke. Ngiyabonga Mr. Ngcobo.
Your take on the game today?
Game namhlanje was interesting. I think Coach Kaizer Chiefs is my new favorite coach in the Betway Premiership. He's smart. He's a thinker. I love abantu abacabangayo, bathanda mina bocoach abacabangayo, and he's a thinker. He showed that in this game he's a thinker. There's a statement he made. Makafika kula Kaizer Chiefs athi, I'm not gonna compete with Sundowns. I'm not gonna compete with Orlando Pirates. That's exactly what he's doing, to say, give me the room, give me the space, give me time. Then I'll do what I have to do. He's focusing on his job. I like what's in the media right hand, you know. It's just nabo coach abanga influencer, Mr. Ngobula Malang. Yeah, senabo coach is na influencer, you know. You find ukuthi unabantu abaningi abamlandelayo, but ama results ground in a ways. But the coach Kaizer Chiefs interesting because ngithanda abantu abacabangayo, Mr. Ngobo, njengoba ngisho nithi uze kule game lena to say let me do this. Let me have Umigale, who is the captain with Kaizer Chiefs. Let me have Ukwinika, also a leader. Let me have Umloisani. It was Umloisani's first game, and Umloisani, he was the captain with Stellenbosch. Umloisani product in Mamelodi Sundowns. Kula ma player lawo mawabheka ama profile wabo. Umloisani is not just a player or good on the ball, but he's also good in defending. Ngiyangithola been sharpened kahle by Coach Steve to say you are good on the ball as a product in Mamelodi Sundowns, but also mele ukwazi ukudefend, which he has it. You have Ukwinika, very clean. You know, when you're playing a centre back position, it's very important to understand with as much as you are a defender, marungas costi, don't cause unnecessary fouls. Kwinika understands that. You'll hardly see Kwinika thola ama yellow card, afoul abantu unnecessary, because he understands when to put in that foot. He understands ukuthi mela make kanjani. And then you have Umigale. Umigale, you know, is your bully, he's your pit bull. Umigale, umuntu onekurashi, umuntu that's willing to fight. Uyangithola Umigale. Yeah, awuzangayo yonke into egame. So lama player lawo e3 bebama kumuntu oyi1. It tells about the caliber of Leon.
Top.
Tells about the caliber of Leon. Yeah, they didn't pocket him. If it takes 3 centre backs, is quality range with backmark. It says something about you. So I feel that strategy it was not only the 3 centre backs, but it was 5 at the back with 3 centre backs. But let's pull him to also drop as a left back. They also had another one with right back. So every time I pick a ship up, it was 5 at the back. And then Mabaza Pagati, they made sure they have Amanda by 2 who are robust when it comes to defending. If you look at the profile, yaga Ox, very much hard. Maga Ox. You look at Undlov now, very much hard. And you have Umuntu has a little bit of both, because Undlov was Undlov Undlov quality. Undlov knows how to play. He's one of the players in Sanda. I mean, Kaizer Chiefs. I once said, whoever brought Undlov Kaizer Chiefs, we has what mega yenzani. We have what Tabanga Lumuntu Loy, because Nindo fighting Alentole. And now you have a combination of Undlov, a combination of Amaboy. That combination was there. Even though we must respect United, they're bringing in Kaizer Chiefs. Already understand that, and then you put in Ox, so that triangle Pagat was very important in bringing the 3 Lela Pagat and these 3 centre backs plus more area by 5. It means now you are closing the corridors Pagat. La Machanela Pagat Afunabo Alende, La Machanela Pagat Afunam Kulisi. That's where you see what Mamelodi Sundowns could not penetrate Kaizer Chiefs, because La corridors, the Fungala with Sundowns, we have value. Yes, we try to cheat. City, okay, come inside Van Veek, come inside Metus to add the numbers, come inside Mudiba, sometimes come inside to add the number, but still we could not penetrate Lama corridors because they were tight in the end. These are leaders, even in that middle field. Undlov is the leader, Umaboy is the leader, Ox is the leader. So Unama senior player the core, in core and the spine set team. So we call the spine set team solid, and we have Upitasin as goalkeeper, also another leader, a person who kept saying the team in. So I feel Coach Kaizer Chiefs is on the right path in terms of that thing, and then allow the young players on the wings and in that number 10 row to be free, because not a very responsible mark. Your job was stay there wide. Whenever we win the ball, you are our reference. Spumang out. Swini Pola Pagat, Swini Pola wherever, and the South would hang spuming a play to Mamelodi Sundowns, Bazos Pressa. So we have one Langle, and then you go down the line, we'll see what happens. And then we turn it back and look at Mamelodi Sundowns with an Ikim approach. I feel with Mamelodi Sundowns in approaching a game as usual shine and piano, you know they know what they're gonna have the ball. It's just a matter of how the opponent is gonna try to close Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ngatholi ibhola phakathi unabantu abayithu noMaselo Alende unomkhulisi abantu abakwazi ukuseculate ibhola kahle, which is very good. And then on the other side unoFan Wyk, on the other side unoMathews, and then la phakathi I feel ukuthi they understood ukuthi we needed Obas phakathi. You needed the profile like Obas because Kaizer Chiefs could have hurt us if we did not have Obas, because lama player la Kaizer Chiefs uriding Umaboy Undlovu, those players are very good phakathi. They can progress the ball, they know how to progress the ball. So you needed someone okwazi would pound for pound physical ongalwa nabo, because laba bayithu Alende no riding nomkhulisi ama-ball player, they're not that much good in terms of fighter win ama-ball, but bakwazi ukubambela lona ibhola bal protect. So you needed to Obas. I think it was a smart one. Also adding Obas, it was an answer for a problem that we've seen from Mamelodi Sundowns lately. That problem was ama-ball, ama-cross. Whenever, if you can look at Mamelodi Sundowns from previous games, you consider amagol amaningi ngama cross. Whenever there's a cross in a free kick, we always consider it. You know why? Because you do not have that presence, a move. Now when you have that presence, you have Obasi, you have Ukekana, you have Johannes. Now you have presence, you have height, Lapayan. And I saw even on one incident whereby Obas my worry was that exactly to say, if Miguel is there, Miguel is very good ngepola. If Tina Saleka ngama cross, and then Miguel of Miguel Namahead, they could kill us easily. It's a matter of it delivered, and that's the reason why Coach Kaizer Chiefs Aleto Uchisled for that quality delivered. Out of all the crosses the Kaizer Chiefs today, one was quality, is the one that was brought by Uchisled. Exactly. All of them, they were not quality, and you could see it's in positions whereby they could hit Mamelodi Sundowns. There was even one that was on top of the 18 area, but they couldn't make the most out of it because player profile no one is a free kick specialist. So you needed Uchisled to come in to say, if we get that free kick, we can hit Mamelodi Sundowns. Even so it's because of that quality. But I feel Mikel Cardoso, what he did today, correctly, let's not concede in a free kick. Exactly. Let's not concede in a set piece, because wonke amagoli conceded so far ngama set piece. Unfortunately, Johannes iyayenzakala kusebholeni. It's not his strongest foot lefty. Wazama ukuthi afuna ukudlala. I feel ukuthi that it just goes to basics ukuthi awuna option, and you are not sure ukuthi passing ngafika lapha, you can clear the ball outside. But Johannes is still young, is a young centre back. I feel ukuthi for yena ukuthi akhule vele mele enza ama mistake. Ukhula ebholeni sikhula ngama mistake. That's what it is. Yangithola ebholeni you must make a mistake. That's why you see ama player Mamelodi Sundowns, all of them are so comfortable on the ball. It's not because they are all comfortable, but they got used to saying masenze mistake we can recover. That is why even ama teammates wakhe singamraseli and amafana understand. So I'll say ukuthi kudos to him. Udlalile namhlanje, just that one error akayenzile. I think uzokhula kule nto le. And what I'm loving about Cardoso this season is a thing that Misikhalela sonke si South Africa to say, we need to see young players. Mamelodi Sundowns is giving a lot of young players a game time. Wonke lama game la kadlalile from first game until game namhlanje, you seeing a lot of young players starting the game, even coming in as a sub. And bonke uyabona ukuthi they are willing to play. Bana le nto le mabadlala ukuthi angifakwanga ngoba ngiyafakwa, but nikozele yanto ukuthi kumele ngidlale, and that's kudos to him. I feel ukuthi i-combination yakandlovu, i-combination yalomfana lona ototo ngena manje uBhima Mokoena. Dangerous.
Yeah, big time, yeah.
Dangerous. There's something we're gonna see there. That combination is azobulala abantu abaningi. And I love what you riding Mailula oze ngayo. Since Mailula afikile, I think it's only one game la ngakuranga khona. Since afikile la South Africa, uyakora. So I think ukuthi Mailula is a quality that we are missing. I mean, what we look at the Premiership, such chances umuntu angene egamini, actually one chance akora. It's a rare thing. And Mailula is bringing that. It's something that we need to work on in development and going forward. But other than that, it was a great game for me. Ngiyabonga Mr. Ngcobo.
Perfect, thanks Koke. Eitada.